Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make decals in Roblox. Let's start. First of all, open the Roblox. After getting into Roblox, click on Create from the menu bar. Then from Creations, tap on Development Items and go into Decals. In Decals, click on Upload Asset to actually upload an asset. First of all, you need to choose the asset type. Then upload a photo and give it a name and description. Now tap to upload a photo from Downloads. Select a photo and click on Phone. Then change the photo name as Fields Goals. After that, click to upload the asset. Now your asset is created. Click on the Home button and go into the dashboard from the top menu bar. You can see the asset in here as well. After that, open up the new tab and search here roblox.com. Once you get into Roblox, click on Menu from the top left corner. Then click on Inventory. Now from here, click on Decals. You can see your decals right here. Click to open it. View the photo and all other details of your decal. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this that explain me how we're solving new problems every day.